Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha from the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you weekly technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. If this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I also run mentorship program. If you like to be a technical trader, Elliott Wave trader, and you like my style of trading, and want to learn from me, don't hesitate to contact me. You will see my details at the bio of this video. The links there include WhatsApp, Telegram channel. I pay more attention to Telegram and not WhatsApp. You also see my phone number there. The phone number is for those who need mentorship. You contact me. I also have my links to open cryptocurrency accounts. I also trade cryptocurrency. This all I'll teach you if you like my style of trading. Okay. You can see this very number. That's the number you will see. You will see at the bio of this video. Okay. Okay, let's go into the business of the day. Okay, you can see this is DXY. I'll be showing you weekly charts today and the day charts today. After all this move, after all this move, DXY is now buying. Okay, so either we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that is what we are having, then we will get an A, B, C. Maybe we will see 95, 94, 93, or thereabouts before we buy again. Or if it is still correcting, which it means that we will get a new low. Okay, though I don't see the new low happening so soon. I don't see anything below 70 now. As you can see, the low we have is 70.69. I don't see it happening now. Rather, this is what we call leading diagonal as wave 1. So if that is the case, expect wave 2. Sorry, wave 3. Because this ABC will be wave 2, wave 3, and so on. If it keep going up. So that's for weekly. Let me quickly go to daily. You can see daily charts. It's become clearer when we go lower. So to me, this is wave A. Then wave B is still developing. If I'm correct, it means we expect a bullish move within this channel, within 99.9, 97.18. Then we will get a bullish move that will take us to 108 or even 110 before the next drop, which we see us going down to 95, 96, or thereabouts before the main bullish move. Okay. 4 hours is going down. I don't have much to show you on 4 hours, except you look for sell setup to sell. You see going down. So nothing to show you on 4 hours and nothing to show you on 1 hour. If you didn't catch the move on time, I don't suggest you should jump in. This place will have been the next sell setup, but it's going to get to this place. So I removing it. You always know how to join at the right time, okay? Because a secondary entry might not catch. The first place we sold here. Second place is we sold here. Third place we sold here. Then after that, we keep moving our stop loss to break even. Currently, here is our stop loss break even. So as it is broken this level again, here will be the next break even stop loss. We keep moving it until take profit we hit. Okay, so that's for USOIL, USD card. Let me try to show you weekly or most of the phase to them, but it takes time. That's why I don't want to show you it, but it takes time. But though it helps you to see markets where it is. So the possibility is that after all this move down, you get W, X, Y. Or maybe this might be wave 1, wave 2. This can be wave 1 again. This can be wave 2. So as time goes on, we will know. But right now, structure-wise, this seems to be the possible move. This looks possible, but it is still very far. You know, this is a weekly chart. We will go to daily to discuss this very circle. So let's go down to daily. Avoid wasting much of time there. So coming to daily, you can see we have a kind of W, X, Y. So I believe this will happen. We usually card we sell down to 1.32, 1.29 before we begin to buy, we begin to go bullish again. Because looking at it, it looks an impulse to me, what we call it diagonal. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then we get something like this and continue buying. So that's my view on USD card. Let me go to 4 hours. On 4 hours is where we have we have our work. You pay attention to know when to sell. You don't sell from here, even if it keeps going down. If it keeps going down, I will leave it. Meanwhile, I sold already. I sold from this zone. So I would like to add another sell. If I see that it will make this thing I projected here, then I will close it and sell from here again. For now, I have not seen reason to close my sell, so my sell is still open. But this is what will likely happen when it begins to develop, and we know whether it will happen or not. And that you see something like this doesn't mean that it must happen. Nobody controls the market. We are all making what we call forecast. So a forecast is a forecast remains a forecast. What we think that will likely happen, not what must happen. Okay, so let's move USD USD I'll show you daily on this, and okay, let me also show you weekly. No problem. Let me show you weekly on all of them today. USD if you watch the weekly, you can see it has been going down for decades. So, and from my experience, this is wave 1. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. So I'm expecting something that needs to happen, maybe in 10, 20 years' time, not now. Meanwhile, this should be our focus. Will we get this or not? So that's what we will be discussing. Are we still to see a lower price, or are we going to buy? So as we go down, we will discover what we will do. Okay, having come to this, having come lower to this place, you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which is wave 1, big wave 1, and this is like A, B, C. So if it doesn't go below this place, it means that this is correct. Even if it goes below this place, as long as it didn't close below this place, it is still good to go, because wave 1 can retrace 99.9% of, sorry, wave 2 can retrace at as much as 99% of wave 1. So that's for daily. Let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we can see we have similar thing on daily as we have on 4 hours. So I see this as wave 1. So if it doesn't come to below this place, if it doesn't come below this place, then we will get a bullish move from here. And it will be a sweet trade for those who will catch it, for those who know how to catch it, not for everybody. Okay, so let's go to USD. Let's check weekly as well. Today is like a bonus. I'm showing you weekly chart on all of them. USD, this is what I'm expecting to happen. I expect this type of move to happen. But when will it start? That is the question. Because I have seen this as the end of this down move. Okay, so when are we going to get this move? When will it start? Let's go lower to daily. Let's see. Okay, on daily, we can see I am a fan of structure. Okay, and I look I would like to see as much as I can. Okay, so looking at this, I've shown you this before. It seems that we are going to get either a running flat or a zigzag. You can see we are expecting this to move higher. After moving higher, maybe 1.126, 1.153, then it will go lower again towards 1.06 or even 1.04. I don't know, but let's focus on this move before we think about this move. So 4 hours will help us to do that. So watching 4 hours, we can see this upper channel is where we are expecting the buying to terminate. So what next when this buying terminates? To keep it simple, don't close your buy order unless you wish to. I haven't seen any reason to close my buy order. The only way I can close my buy order is if market opens and I see a sharp move below this place, then I will close my buy setup. Rather, or the stop loss, the break-even stop loss will hit because I move I move it to display. So buying continues, and I watch out for the direction around this place. Okay, that's for Euro USD. Pounds USD weekly. There is a day of bonus. Pounds USD. You can see, to me, all the selling have ended at 1.07, 1.03. So we keep seeing it going higher, maybe for next 20 years. Okay, so let me zoom it a little. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 1. Then I expected that we will get A, B, C as wave 2, but it seems we are getting a single, either we are getting a single correction, which is rampant this time around, or we will get what we call expanding flat or running flat, in the sense that we get A, B, C. Then after that, we get after that we will get another move down to give us either running flat or expanding flat. If it goes lower, expanding flat comes like this, running flat. So don't rule out a running flat in this very chart. So, but remember, this is weekly chart. This chart will help us a lot to understand what is happening. So going down to daily, you can see that we have a kind of ABC, which looks like a zigzag. You can equally count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this is 1, 2. Let me zoom it. You can say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading the diagonal. You are still right. Now the person, whoever said that it is ABC is right. Whoever counted it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right. Now the question is, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it means that we are not going to get a deeper sell again. It means that that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. So all this is beginning of another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is most unlikely. I have watched the structure, and I can tell you we will get this A, B, C. But now the move is yet to start. When it starts, I will inform you if I wish to do that. But if you are my student, I will surely inform you. Okay, so let's keep watching how it develops. Let's check 4 hours. So on 4 hours, last time, this was my projection that we go a little higher. Before going down, it has gone more than that. So what next? When are we going to get this type of move? Will it start to move when market opens? I don't know. And you equally does not know. So the question is, when are we getting a move down? When I getting a move down, that's the question. And after that move down, are we getting to go higher, or are we getting a lower move? Okay, so I will leave it here. But all I can tell you on pounds USD is to move your stop loss to break even, or you close your trade entirely. Because if you be following me, you must have bought from this place. We sold here, we bought here, we bought here, we sold here, we bought here again. So we always enter it at the right time, place and price, because we understand the structure and how market works. Okay, this will likely happen or may not happen. Don't know. AUD USD weekly. This chart might analysis might be long because of showing weekly chart. So all this move ended here 0.552. So this to me is wave 1. If this is wave 1, it means that we are going to get a move higher, something 0.9, something 1.0 in the maybe next year, next 2 years. So for now, let's zoom out. Don't need nothing to show you here. Let's go to daily. This is where we have something to share. So looking at this chart, this is wave 1. Whatever is happening here is wave 2. This is another wave 1. Then whatever is happening here is wave 2. Once the market breaks this place, then it is confirmed that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. Then expect this to happen. For now, we are still watching it to know whether it will make a deep move again. I don't think it will go below this place, not that it can make a deep move or a shallow move. No, I don't know the one that will happen. But all I know that is AUD USD is a buying market, not a selling market. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, you watch, you've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is wave 5. Will it still go higher? I don't know. But this is wave 5 to me. After that, what do we expect? We expect it to correct. Maybe, okay, it will either correct a move from here and let me remove this. So it will either give us a shallow correction If you don't give us shallow correction like this, and go up again, or it will just drop a little. Anyway, let me remove this. Mind you, what this wave 5 might still move higher. It might still move higher before it will correct. Which means if you bought, you can close it and watch for what will happen, or you can move your stop loss to break even, or you can activate a trailing stop, okay, to protect your profit. It's a nice trade. It's a nice trade for those who could cut it. Okay, so let's move to using the USD. The same situation. I don't have to show you quickly on that because what happens on this one also happened on the other one. So the question is, now this one have broken the last top. AUD will likely break it before it will correct. The question now remains, what are we going to get? What are we going to get? Are we getting a deeper correction or a shallow one? So I leave it and I will allow the market to give us the answer. Let me not be too fast. Let the market do the needful. I'll only guide you on entry and exit. You can exit the trade if you bought it. You can hold it if you like. But move to break even and or activate trading stop. Okay, so now we are waiting for it to correct so that we can buy again. W225 and the yen pace have not been easy to predict this time around. I mean, that's when you go to lower time frame. Okay, I expected it to give me a deeper correction, something like this, before buying. Though it can still happen. It can still happen. It can happen. But for now, let's focus on lower time frame. We can see we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5. So if this wave 5 has finished, it will still go lower. But if it is still in progress, maybe it will go higher before we get a big correction. So let's see daily. Daily, I think we are I think this is wave 1 for a new high. Then wave 2 is what I'm expecting. How deep it will be, I don't know. So let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, I would like to see, we will likely get a corrective move. We will likely get something like this. A, B, C, before we buy again. If this happens, I'll be very happy because I'll just buy from here. Simple. I'll make more profits. Okay? You know JPY. JPY, this is what I'm expecting to happen. Just A, B, C, something like this. Something like this. Then I will sell. Okay. WT25. If USJPY will sell, if USJPY will sell, if GBJPY will sell, WT25 will likely sell also. So, but what happens here will determine whether it will sell or not. Okay. USJPY, same situation. I'm looking out for it to. I'm looking out for it to give me a move like this. Let me. Anything on daily sell. Let me check the daily. Okay, daily don't have much to explain other than, okay, daily is showing us that we will likely get price to 139, 136 before we buy again. Okay, so down to 4 hours again. So that's why we are expecting it to sell again. But when will the sell start? Let me go down to 1 hour. I'm sure 1 hour time frame on this. Okay, so 1 hour. Okay, let me go deeper on this one. If it goes above this place, it will be a good thing to sell. Sorry, to buy. Then the buy will be an A, B, C buy. After that, it will sell again. Okay, so but this is a reversal zone, but not much. It will reverse here. Okay, so that is for USJPY. Pounds JPY. Something similar is there. I expect as well ABC. I expect ABC again. A, B, C. Before it will sell again. The selling will be sweet if the ABC happens. So let me show you 4 hours. So this is what we expect. We expect a deep move, another deep move. And it will surely, it will likely be sharp like this one. This A is sharp. If this C will happen, it will be sharp as well. Okay, that's for pounds JPY. Let us go to gold. Gold and silver doesn't need much explanation. They are buying. I don't know what to explain here. Other than they are buying. So you look for buy setup and enter buy. My gold buy is open. My silver buy is open. No plan to close them. Even next week, even next 2 weeks. I haven't seen anything to close them. They are just open there. The money is entering. Trading is all about opportunity. If you are a swing trader, if you are a swing trader, don't be in a haste to close the market unless you don't know what you are doing. Scalpers can make 10 trades, 20 trades. Scalpers can, okay, this is 4 hours chart. A scalper who knows how to scalp can make 100 trades from here. Okay, but a swing trader can make maybe 4 or 5. Let me just guess it. This one, a buy from here. Okay, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5. About 3, 4, 5, or 6 trades. But somebody can make 100 trades. So why should you be in a hurry to close your trade if you are a swing trader and the market is in your favor? It doesn't make sense. So gold is going up. We likely see 2,700, 2,800, even 3,000 this time around. So silver, there's something I'll show you now on silver. I hardly go to multi-chart because I think it's a waste of time. But something crazy happened on silver. Maybe before you were born. I don't know when you were born. But can you see? Look, let me show you. Look, can you see between 1978 or let's say 1978, silver went to $48 and dropped again around 1990 or 19. Let me around 19. Yeah, let me use. Okay, you can see silver went to $48 and dropped around $1 and drop again. Within 4 years or so, it dropped to $8, $4. Then again, in the year, around the year 2020 or thereabouts, it went up to $48 again, or even 49, and dropped to $12 again in 2022. Okay, yes, okay, $11. So why am I showing you this thing? What has it got to do with trading? I'm showing you because market tend to repeat itself. If you understand me, we know that we will likely get another crazy move. This time around, 47.9, 49.8. We will likely go to 50 or above this time around. That's what I'm showing you this. Meanwhile, you know that it's a monthly chart anyway. So maybe next 5 years, silver will go to $50, or even next year. It can happen next year. So weekly chart is showing us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I'm taking a bullish move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on weekly chart. So when it comes to maybe that 5, I will close it and watch out for correction. That's what I can tell you on silver. So let's check 4 hours. So 4 hours, let me zoom the chart. 4 hours, see what I'm expecting to happen on silver. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Wave 5 will likely come to this place. Then when it comes to this place, we likely get shallow correction and go up, or we get a deeper one before going up. So that's why I will advise you to, whenever you see whenever you see price at $30, you can close that trade if you are afraid of what will happen. Because from 30, we may get it down to 29.3 or 29, or even deeper to 28.4, 27.9. So currently, my stop loss break even is here. So if it comes to 30.4, I will watch the reaction to know what to do. Okay. Meanwhile, I made much profit already from all this move. Let's check platinum. Platinum, to me, this is a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or the 5 can still complete. So any move like this, I will buy platinum. I made to buy because I want to confirm. If I buy it, it may be open for a month or weeks. So if you plan to hold the position for 2 weeks, 1 month, what should do be in haste to enter? You enter when you confirm that the market is doing what you think it will do. Okay, so this is the extra confirmation. This line, if it broke this line, maybe something like this, you can now buy. Okay, oil. Oil, I will not explain what is happening in oil, but I will share this chart on my Telegram channel. That is on the VIP channel. When I prepare the 4 charts, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour. So if you're my student and you don't understand what I'm trying to show on the charts, you let me know for oil. US 100. Let me show you daily. We have a question on US 100. That's NASDAQ. This is a correction. Is it over, or will we get this? I don't know. But when market develops, let's see 4 hours. When market develops, and we know whether we will get it or not. So this is just a projection. It may not happen. We may get little move down and go up again. Okay, but this is like A, B, C. And this can be W. This can be with X. And we get with Y. I will be expecting this to happen until it goes above this place. Or I see a structure that shows that it will not happen. Okay. SP 500, the same situation. As long as this place cannot be taken out, 5,600, we can still get a move down to give us WXY before we buy. Why am I expecting such to happen? For a long time, it has been going up for a long time. So on some point, it must give us a deep correction. That's how market moves. It cannot continue with shallow correction. That's how market moves. So when I say I expect such to happen, remember on yen pays, I'm saying that we will get a sharp move down. I'm saying it's almost on 90% of my video. I'm saying it, and it happened. We're starting. We're starting. We're starting. We're starting. 1, 2, 3. This is wave 4 running flat. Wave 5 is developing. So whatever is happening here on what time frame will be a correction. This is wave 4, and this is likely 1, 2. Okay, let me show you 1 hour on this. Let me show you 1 hour on this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will likely be wave 1 of 5. So if this is wave 1 of 5, then expect an ABC. ABC before it's going to go up again. For now, this wave 5 might still be going up for now. So if you didn't buy from here, you didn't buy from here, you didn't buy from here, don't buy, because it is too late already. So who bought from here, and here, I'm moving a stop loss to break even. Why should you be buying from here? You will likely lose. I don't know. Yeah, that's up. It's all broken one. Let me go to cryptos. I have a slight headache. Let me go to cryptos and end the video. I have a slight headache. We talked so much, 40 minutes. Bitcoin, nothing to show you on weekly. Let me go to daily direct. So Bitcoin, I pity those who are afraid. I'll be sharing chats with my friends on Telegram channel. Some don't understand. Some are telling me that those who trade, that's what we call support and resistance. Let me show you. That's what we call support and resistance. Let me show you how it works. This is support. This is resistance. This is now this support resistance now turn support again. It's now support again. This is support again. This is support again. This is resistance. This is resistance. This is resistance. This is resistance. So those who only know this, when Bitcoin dropped, they will see that it will go down between this resistance to this support, 39.40, and they are waiting for it to drop to this place. And I was telling them that Bitcoin have completed a structure that we show that it will move. They don't understand. I don't blame them. They don't know, and they don't want to learn because they want to pay little money I charge to learn. So I just leave them. And I can't teach for free because if I teach for free, I'll be wasting my time. If people don't pay money to learn, they'll keep wasting your time. So because of wasting my time, I don't want to waste my time. So that's why I said the $200 I charge. I only charge $500 to teach. Would I know that is not just it's just a token, so that it won't be free. If I to charge, I'll be taking about $2,000 because you pay only $500 once. I'll teach you everything. So those who don't want to pay it, they continue trading and losing their money, unless maybe they learn from somebody else. But if you listen to them, you know that they don't have any knowledge. Okay, so Bitcoin. What I want to say on Bitcoin? Nothing. Other than Bitcoin is buying. That's the only thing I can say is buying towards 80, towards 85, even 100. But for now, I can say that I'm 99% of 80K on Bitcoin. So if you bought, don't be in a haste to close your trade. Rather, keep moving your stop loss to break even. Simple. Okay. We'll be showing. Okay, Bitcoin. This video is 40 minutes already, which I don't normally like. It's long already. So Ethereum is also equally buying, but not as fast as Bitcoin. No problem. Litecoin is also buying. BNB, they are all buying. So nothing to explain much this time around. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can join my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp channel. If you want to learn, contact me. You have seen my number on my bio. Then we discuss. You join my students. I have 18 videos you can watch. After that, we fix one-on-one lesson. Thank you, and God bless you.